Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. All right, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Now, in here, you can tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner and tap on the three lines on the upper right corner. Now here, tap on settings and privacy. And once you're in here, you go to Accounts Center. Okay, now here, tap on personal details and tap on account ownership and control. Okay, now here, if you want to deactivate your Instagram account, you can tap on deactivation or deletion. So choose the platform that you want to deactivate from. Let's choose Instagram. And here you can choose deactivate your account. So this is going to deactivate your account temporarily. All right, now once you're done with this one, you can tap on continue and follow the prompt and you should be good to go. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.